Well, we are Tailgunner, and we've come all the way from the United Kingdom to be here today to play some heavy metal. Is that alright with you? Because we were told, Sweden Rock, that today, this place is the place to be for heavy metal today. You're gonna prove all those people right! I don't think that's good enough, Sweden Rock Festival, let me hear you! That's right! We released an album earlier this year. It's called Midnight Blitz. Seems familiar to a few of you out there? Well, thank you very much, because we actually got put in the UK rock and heavy metal charts at number 2. So, thank you to each and every one of you out there for supporting us. Thank you very much. This next song I'm gonna play is from that new album, Sweden Rock Festival. This is Tears in Rain.